Has there ever been a point in your career where you guys thought of breaking up?
Why would I make something small that can easily be solved draw us far from what we've built? Sometimes we get so heated to the extent that we're not even on talking terms with each other. But it doesn't stop the fact that the company is bringing food on the table. That's the reason why Keche has never tried to even go their separate ways, because of the bag, man.
Is there a difference between bad trends and good trends? How are you guys able to choose trends to follow?
Ghana here, bad trend is also a good trend. Yeah, Ghana hana nkofu yi omo hu de ye niama sheda ye niama still brands to be form of brand ambassadors. So me I don't see bad trend and a good trend.
Minim say woni papi kojo mo asem kakra. Asem na mo wona fake and say
no. Oh no, say me jene girl. Na me so mo swag sen no. Me won fese no. And nim bie. I don't see the things they write about me online. Uni oni me ya me say no mo boni dia me I want to fear me let me know yo me na fear this blow clot, you know.
Inti apart from papi kojo why be na oni na beef.
Kojo Sheldon.
Oh, now why all day?
Mitsu the bamboo.
Look at the pipe water.
Hi people, welcome to another wonderful episode of Girls Aloud podcast. As you know, we talk music, fashion, politics, and so on. My name is Sandra Pearson, and today I'm here with my sister.
Olive. And today's show, we have the best group in Ghana keeping the other groups on their toes, like standing 10 selfie. They are doing so well because they've kept together for so long. We're going to have a very nice conversation with them here today. So, Keche. You guys are welcome.
Yes. I love the introduction. We are keeping them on their toes.
You know?
What forgetting. Straight.
Okay, all right. So on this episode, I don't know if you've seen our other episodes, but
Yes,
we have
of
a
course,
game
of course,
that we
yeah.
play, that we win some good cash. Okay, so we want you guys to help us.
How much?
Today we are winning $1,000.
$1,000?
If we
Yes.
get everything right.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna play the game. We just hope you can win this time and get the money.
Yeah,
They have the money. Don't worry.
we are lady.
So are we winning?
We are lady. We are winning. Let's go.
Okay.
All right, guys,
Let's
play.
go, producer.
Let's play.
Today's Let's Play, I'm going to show you 10 pictures of musicians,
Okay.
and you are going to tell me what their names are.
All right. Let's play.
Hey.
Achukoliko.
Why list?
Justin Bieber.
Esibisa.
Correct.
Hey.
Come back, sis.
We're almost there, guys.
Fella.
No.
Is it a man crado?
Guys.
Time's up. And that is E.T. Mensah.
Charlie.
Who is this?
J. Adolfo.
Adolfo.
J. Adolfo.
Adolfo.
J. Adolfo.
Okay, time is up. And this
Ampedu.
is Nana Ampedu.
Ampedu.
Oh.
Etia.
Also, it's a
Yeah,
hand.
what
Kone
picture?
yi.
You also look at Adolfo.
No, don't say nothing.
And who is this?
Papa Yamsen.
Papa Yankson.
Correct.
Maybe no one.
Who is this?
Amachi baby.
Correct. And who is this?
Yeah, Ben Braco.
Ben Braco.
Yes.
Correct. Today you won $1,000.
With the current rate,
But
right?
I found a way to be. I don't did that worry.
We were supporting you.
Yeah,
guys.
we know. It's about you
All right,
win.
guys. So
We
today we are
supported.
winning.
Where
So today we won $1,000,
Yeah,
and we're just
thousand.
so happy.
Only on Girls
250,
Aloud.
250.
Each.
Any
Yeah.
check questions I can
On
say
your
to
miss
you.
ya
We are
Can be,
group. We are
can be.
together.
Yeah, can
That's
we?
150.
Yeah.
150.
All right, guys. So we'll be right back.
Girls are loud.
All right, guys. You're welcome back. So Keche, we're so happy to have you here today.
Thank
Thank
you.
Yeah, we had a very good start. We just won us some $1,000.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, we want to
Straight.
enjoy this conversation. And you guys have been together for how long again?
15.
15 years.
Wow,
15.
Yes, 15 year 15.
And how has it been?
It's been good. It's been tough at the same time because even twins do fights.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm from a different background. He's
Yeah.
from a different background. Coming together to do this for 15 years. But I've known him for like 20 years now.
Oh, okay.
Yes, way back in Sekendi, Sekendi Takrady, Twin City. Yeah, so yes, 15 years we've been together, and I would say it's been good and it's been tough at the same time because it's not easy. If you're doing something alone, no challenge. But this time, every decision or any decision that I could take come into for talk your own, or for disagree to agree all the
Yeah,
time, So it's been good, and we thank God that it's been 15 years, and yes, we are here and still making sure that the group thing becomes like
Very
the biggest
solid.
thing in Africa.
Yeah. So has there ever been a point in your career where you guys thought of breaking up, and how did you mend to come back to still be Keche?
Okay, there hasn't been a time like that. Let me tell you the reason why there hasn't been, and there will never be a time like that. In our part of the world where we come from, this Ghana, I want to limit it to Ghana because that's where we are.
Yeah.
It is difficult to sell a brand to be accepted by the people. You understand? So by the help of God, with the media, the team we had around us, they were able to propel Keche through all struggles here and there to get to the height that we are right now. So Keche is now bigger, too big than Andrew, too bigger than Joshua. Keche is not for us. We sold it for the people, and the people have accepted Keche. Ghana, Africa, the world. So now when they are calling Keche for business, they won't call Joshua, they won't call Andrew, they will call Keche. It's a company. So now we both are working for the company now. Why would I make something small that can easily be solved? Separate or draw us far from what we've built
All the work.
over the years,
Yeah.
and then go our separate ways. Because if we stay apart, now Joshua will be there, he can't have Keche.
No.
Andrew will be there, Andrew can't have Keche. So Keche will be hanging. And the followers of Keche, they will just leave Keche and go. So when you are together, Keche is strong. So we do fight, we do quarrel. We are human beings. It is normal, it happens, yeah?
Right.
But sometimes we get so heated to the extent that we are on talking terms with each other.
Wow.
But it doesn't stop the fact that the company is bringing food on the table. So when the company calls, we pay maximum respect to the company. We all follow up. We do whatever the company wants. After, you can chuckle at me and go do whatever. I don't care. Whenever you are okay, you feel you want to just come around. We have to just talk about it. We all, put our egos aside. We call each other. We talk. We still keep going. We have people coming to us, whispering different things into our ears. Charlie, Joshua say you have done that. You go to Joshua and say you've done that. But we end up telling Charlie, bro, what's up? This person say you've done it. We try to push. So now it has even pushed away some people because they know that these guys. So they know. So if you are scared, then why are you even telling me? It wasn't there. On your turn. So if I don't hear, I don't see, I keep going. You understand? So that's the reason why Keche is here, and that's the reason Keche has never tried to even go their separate ways.
Right.
Because of the bag, man.
The bag.
Exactly.
Very important. And then in the beginning of your career, right, you guys weren't married. You guys were single guys, living it up, doing good things, like, in the music industry and everything. And then a few years back, both of you, tied the knots and everything. How has it been after that, being married?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Marriage is beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. I believe that every man, if you have a lot of things to achieve in life, then you need a woman. Because there's a
I love
saying.
that.
Yes, of course. If you want to achieve a lot in
Yeah.
life, then you need a woman
Yeah.
by your side. Because of course, there's a saying that behind every successful man,
There's a woman.
of course. So I believe that if you've seen, that's what I love women with vision.
Yes.
All right, visionary women. Don't just come to me and just be slaying. No, you need to come on board with something. Who are you? Okay, now I'm dating you. I'm just dating you for sex. No, I can get it anywhere.
Yeah, you're more than
okay,
that.
yes,
Yeah.
you need to come on board with something. So don't just date people. Then all the time you date Snap, you date TikTok. They like, they laugh, they like, they laugh, they post, they laugh. You don't bring anything on board. So girls out there, go to your boyfriend. Tell your boyfriend, I want to do this. Support me so that I can support you when you don't have it. Okay, so yeah, marriage is beautiful. We found someone. I found someone that I believe that he will help me to grow in my career. That's why it's so now 15 years. Keche is still here, relevant. Like consistency is crazy.
I wanted to ask, how have you been? Like, how do you guys keep up? Because you know Ghana music every day.
Exactly. Yeah, it'd be so a day. The thing is, people don't know we are very, very spiritual.
Wow.
Because the world you see is never the way it is. It's different. You've been told, hey, Charlie, go to school. When you go to school, you finish, you go university, you finish, you find job, you finish, you marry, you get pickings. You know, day like that.
It's never like that.
No.
It's never like that. You go, you go, fall down, your neck break. You for wear POP, bring your neck back. Things that you go through, even access to university days, it's crazy, okay? So that's why I always say that don't just wake up and date.
No. Wow.
Date someone
Intentional.
that you know that this person will help you to grow in life. It's very, very important. So marriage is beautiful because we found someone that's helping us to grow. That's why we are still here.
Yeah. I mean, let me add it. The way you guys,
No,
like
but I mean,
we
he's
say,
hitting a lot of things because life is actually like you don't know what can happen today. You don't know what can happen tonight. Anything can happen. That
So
can
don't
split
waste
you
your
guys
time on useless
everything.
people.
Yeah, so you can't waste your time like that.
You understand? Don't waste your time on useless people. Because I yesterday I was telling somebody something. I said, yo, bro, so but they tell me say you don't need 500 Ghana. Nobody will send you that 500 Ghana. They no get friends. Delete all your block them. And focus on new people.
Yes, you're right.
Because right now, you're there right now. Who you go feel if you need 1,000 Ghana? Who you go feel wake up call say, bro, Charlie, me watch me. I need 1,000 Ghana. The person go feel send it right now. If nobody like that day on your phone, then you say you full pass the people for the street talk.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, straight.
you see, you need to, let me add to, you need to just surround yourself with people. Sometimes it's not me. I feel it's not always about what you would want. It's about you also putting yourself in the position and in the circle that you realize that everybody in your circle is doing equally well. So me, one thing that is one of my priorities, right, is to always find myself in a circle that I see that everybody is doing well so that there wouldn't be pressure on me. Because if you are doing well, Olive is doing well, Joshua is doing well, everybody is doing well, we four here, there's not going to be pressure on me because you will not call me all the time to ask me for it. So we help each other. We try to find ourselves in that space, you understand, so that we grow together, so that we rather can now. So tomorrow, if you ask me, I know that's not like you don't have, maybe that moment,
You need it.
I'll be in the position to.
Yeah.
But like Joshua said, you can sit down and just go through your destiny and realize that, listen, you have like thousands of contacts and none of them can even wake up and come to your aid when you really need help. Then you don't have friends, you don't have people. So you should just clear it and just get on a different set of people all together and try build yourself. You understand? I mean, we find ourselves in homes and with partners that we believed in from day one. You understand? That look, they support our career. You understand? And that's one thing I'm thankful to God about.
I wanted to ask, I'm sorry, are your wives like friends?
Oh, why not?
Yeah, they are. You understand? We found ourselves they have to support it. I mean, there are people in the same space as we are that they got married and then their career is gone.
Yes.
Because the pressure alone. But you need that sound mind. You need to be out there. We are in a creative space that you always have, your mind should be working all the time. So we found ourselves peace. And that's why we're still moving. After years of getting into it, we are still here. And we are still moving. We are still going like we never even stopped at all.
Right. Okay. So Andrew, right? So your wife is a businesswoman and now she's into politics.
Exactly.
Okay. And then you are into entertainment and music and all of that.
Yeah.
In the beginning of your marriage, how was it? How did she, because now she has to be out there because you are out there and now everybody knows they're talking about her and everything. How did she take it? And how are you guys like doing now?
I mean, it's okay. I think it is one thing that she's been, wanting for a long time.
Oh, okay.
You understand? I met her, being part of the party. And then she was in closed doors doing a lot for the people.
Mm-hmm.
And then so I advised that, you've been part of this party for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
You've been using your own money, doing a lot for the people.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the people who are supposed to do it, they are not doing it. So just get into it so that you can lure them or talk to them to come to the aid or your aid for your constituency. And then lo and behold, everything started and the people know what she does already. I don't have before when she started coming to light, she didn't like when people pass negative comments, she
because I
get
saw
to
so
her
many things.
and all that. But now
Because she just has some tough skin.
it's like her, if let's say I'm having, let's say, 3 metal shadow cloth on, I can say she's having almost like 9.
Wow.
Nothing gets to her. She's become so strong. And then, she supports Keche. And then we always have to also support each other to grow. And so, we don't have no problem with that. We're all doing what we are doing, what we love to do peacefully, and we're having a beautiful home. That's it.
That's nice. That's
Wow.
nice to know. Okay.
Me second. That's nice. That's nice. It's nice.
How about you? What does your wife do, and then how is she taking the music too? Like is she out there? Because you are very out there. Yeah, because I've not seen your wife. I've seen his wife all over the place, but you, I'm like, I've not seen your wife.
She's not out there,
Okay.
but she's in there. she's watching everything. She's a shy, like very, very
She's
shy
an
type.
introvert.
Anytime that you put camera on her, she wants to run away.
Oh.
Yeah, but because of my work, sometimes we appear. Recently, we've been circulating concerning our sister who just died, and people saw me and my wife crying, and people be like, "Hey, Charlie, your wife they cry." I'm like, hey, people they see you small, they come, Into them not say, "You me into all cost as a crap."
She has to come out.
Yeah, so it's like that.
All right, now let's move to music. Music in Ghana. You guys have been together for 15 good years.
Yeah, 15.
How have you guys been able to keep this up, like from years back till today?
With the hits
because
back to
now
back.
they are trendy stuffs, like everything is changing. How are you guys also changing the Keche brand?
Okay. I always say that it's only stupid-minded people who doesn't like to learn.
Yeah.
You need to learn, because you see, even the Bible said, God said He's the same yesterday, today, and forever. It means yesterday He is God, today He will be God, tomorrow He'll be
he's
God. Okay,
Like that.
that means that anywhere life go enter, if a day there and stay current, right? So me and Andrew will learn a lot. We always on phone. Me got like a snap how that be they be a yesuade. And before Keche will release a song, then that means we've done like 20 songs. Then we'll remove one, then we'll bring one out. All the time we're learning, because you want to be here for a long time. Do you know how long R2B and Sarko have been in the game?
Yeah.
Samini have been in the game.
You know.
Almost 2 decades, and Samini
We're
two decades and more. Sarko almost 2 decades. And they are still here doing it like they came yesterday. That means they learn.
Yeah, right.
And that's Keche for you. We always want to learn. We always want to make sure, okay, now where trend way they happen. This be the sounds way they go.
Yes.
Okay, we for bring this sound, bring our old sound, make them together and give it to the people.
Yeah.
2020, we wanted to come out with a song that would blow people's mind. Okay, how do we do it? Then I spoke to Andrew. Andrew like, okay, I like we like this guy, Kwame Eugene. Okay, let's create something magical with Kwame Eugene. We came out with No Darling. 2021, we dropped the song. Became the biggest hit. All right, where the party there today? Okay. That time, then the song when they move with the mid-tempo kind or do kind of songs. All right. So now let's create something that it can relate when it comes to Odo. You go feel relate to them. The same time with the party with them, that be Keche one a vibe.
Right.
So we need to make them together. And that's Keche, and that has been like this for a long time. With the switch well. That's why we're still here.
Talking about trends, I saw you on TikTok. Yeah, a while back. And then you were doing something like quite unusual because I don't think I've ever seen you dance like that. You know, I feel like that's so true. You guys are like doing so well. In the beginning, I don't think Keche will put a video like they're dancing, but you're there promoting your music because that's what's happening right now. You know, and I think like that's so nice. But how about you? I didn't see you doing anything like that. I went to check your page to see if maybe you were also dancing or doing something like that.
We all have different ways of promoting our songs. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, before I continue, I was a dancer at the same time a rapper.
Okay.
Yeah, I was a dancer, a break dancer as well. I mean, I won competitions before back in school. But the thing is, you see, we have grown from that age of CD and only going out to promote on radio station, the traditional media and all that. You understand? So now we coming from all that side. What do we have to do different? We need to just merge the two.
Yeah.
So we are with the grassroots, the traditional media, and then we are with the social media.
Yeah.
Because that's where everybody is on now. Listen, I'll go to this Radio 1, go to Radio 2, go to Radio 3. Keche will go to TV 1, TV 2, TV 3. But TV 1, that moment, that hour, maybe there are 1,000 people watching that station. So you get 1,000 people to see you and listen to your song. Mind you, Ghana alone is almost like 36 million. You had 1,000 listen to your songs. You go to TV 2, another, let's say 800. TV 3, let's say 1,500, whatever it is. So you put all together. They've heard you. They know that Keche is out with something new. Now go to social media. Everybody.
Yes.
Is there. If let's say, if not everybody, I'll consider almost like 90% of Ghanaians on social media. So you were able to put there, you have influencers, you have people that also support in making this thing work. So you bring them all on board. They put your stuffs out there. Before you realize it is everywhere. So both the traditional media and the new era, the social media, they are all helping to get your songs out there. So that is what we do. And you see, there's one thing I encourage Joshua, because if not, he wouldn't be doing it. Because anything that he start doing, we talk about it. I realized that when Joshua is dancing, Joshua is not a dancer. So his dance is funny. I mean, it's not like he wants it to be funny. No. In his head, he's dancing seriously.
Serious dancing.
But to the people out there, it is funny. And that's what they want to see. And so Joshua will dance for you. He will dance his own song. Andrew is more of making the skit to the dance. I can relate to, maybe if it's a love song, I would want to just sing to a beautiful lady. Try be in the act. Try portray the song. Try interpret the song by acting it for somebody to see that, listen, okay, this is what the song is all about. Sometimes if you don't put it that way, it doesn't sink to the minds of the people. So we have our ways of making our songs get to the people. And that's how we go about it. Joshua will be dancing doesn't mean that he's just want to do that. In fact, he's serious. And that video you saw was his birthday.
He just so many likes.
It was his birthday. And if you go to the comment, you say, people, Joshua, your dance. Joshua, your dance. Joshua, your dance. Now, I'll make my skate. You also come, the lyrics, the distance. So, we are both doing something
You're
that
building together.
If you don't do it, my dear, a combedo. Now, listen. If you have people or you are selling kinky, and people who are patronizing kinky, they tend to patronize rice. And you can equally cook rice. What do?
I add rice.
Exactly. I thought you were going to say you stop kinky. No. You keep the kinky, but you don't do it that plenty, a little, then you add rice to it. So those people who still want to enjoy kinky, they will still have kinky. Those who want to rice, now they can also come to you and enjoy rice, and you are still in business. And that's what we are doing.
And let me add to what Andrew said. Recently, I saw something online saying that, those influencers, they are not this, they are not that, they are not stars, the influencers, whether you like it or yes. Now that's the system.
Yeah.
Yes.
Things are changing.
Now whether you like it or that's the system. First, atopana what to and this time what to you. Yeah, so things they change. Now, if you know the online, you know the inside. Now, what do you see? You for the online 247. Now people don't get shop. Them at home. They sell
Online,
past those
yeah.
days, Makola.
Yeah.
So now you have to be active online. Me sana yes, me person. Sometimes them always they pay me.
Yeah. Low key, I feel like the traditional stuff are even fading out.
It's not. It won't fade out.
It's not.
They will still be there. They will be there. Can't pay. But Adibia be count. That's why now all the traditional media they are online.
Yeah.
So you prefer the social media than the
Oh
traditional?
no, I
It's
prefer.
not
I prefer all of them.
Oh.
I prefer all of them
But
because
which one makes you more money?
more money. Oh, now everything online.
Okay.
Of course, social media, of course. Because now, as Andrew said, I can post something online right and get 1 million views online.
Do you get paid?
Of course,
Oh wow.
1 million online.
Now,
Straight.
It's so free.
or you
Alright.
fear.
Now,
Busume yenya kutia.
of course, why not?
Oh, and then so.
Oh no, you see, sometimes and then you now echo.
Oh.
It be some level when you catch like 100,000 to go, then the payment will start to enter.
Where on Instagram or
No,
on
TikTok. Yeah, on
okay.
TikTok.
Yeah.
You understand? But we all know that now Facebook they pay. You can
Yes.
monetize your Facebook.
And even
everything.
Instagram.
Yes. So now, oh really? Instagram the inside now?
Yes, they
And I have to
pay.
talk to Tim about it.
So you guys are really looking to enter the trends now.
No, they are in.
Now, like they are in it, but you guys, is this gonna be something we're gonna be seeing more of? Like,
Us in online.
Yeah,
we
online.
there inside.
We are inside.
We did there. So if you see any trend where they happen, Keche did there, hands down. So just if you now I did TikTok, Keche Global. Follow me right now. Me and trending your
No,
man.
you see, sorry to cut you. You see, being on TikTok, being on Instagram, being on every other platform, it's not, I won't say it's a trend. It is something that is there
Yes.
with us right now. Now, the trend is when something is really going on, something that will affect your music positively or negative. Everything every trend has the negative side and the positive side. One. So now, assuming people are now doing, let's say, amapiano. And then so because it is trending, you also want to do amapiano. No. You understand? You
But
can always have a fusion of something.
Oh, okay.
You understand? You can always have a fusion of something. I missed when people were releasing, high life and mid tempo songs. That was the time we released No Darling. I missed that and we released Good Mood. Fast tempo songs, and they were going. There are times people are releasing fast tempo songs. Somebody will come with something slow. You want to make a difference, but you listen and you feel like, no, this is something that I can vibe with. So you always want to stand out, but you are in the same trend, but in a way that will make you still not miss your roots from where you are going. You understand? Because now, whether I like it or not, the space that we find ourselves, we have to be friends with the media, social media. You can't do away with it. I saw some up-and-coming artist. He said that he's not on TikTok. I'm like, what are you doing? You are not. You are coming like you are not on TikTok. What are you doing?
I'm not serious.
You need to be everywhere. Every platform is a platform for you to just elevate yourself and put yourself out there. So we are friends with that. And then anything that gets it going. And the extent at which these influencers can go, you might think that maybe if you go to that, say maybe your brand, they will switch it into you'd want to just hide behind some of these influencers to do the job for you.
Yeah.
And you also do the ones that you think you can do. So they're all part of us now.
Okay.
You understand? They are all part of us
So
now.
do you pay people to promote your songs?
Of course we do.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We
And how
do
far
pay
does it
people.
go? How far does it go?
It goes very far.
Yeah.
It goes very far. We do. We do. Sometimes too, they want to do it for free, but sometimes when you want to tell who they, no, this person, what this person is doing for me, no. Let me just, appreciate the person. You go out there and you appreciate the person. You
Okay.
understand?
Yeah. So right now that you guys are into trends and all of that, I want to know, right? Do you sometimes feel like some trends are bad and some are good? Like, do you know, like, is there a difference between bad trends and good trends, or every trend is a trend? And like, where do you guys draw the line that this one I'm not going to do this or this one? Like, how are you guys able to choose trends to, you know, actually follow and all of that?
Okay, some trends are like personal attacks.
Okay.
Some trend we won't say Charlie. I deal with the one family when Remo. You go be yawa.
Yeah.
All right. There is this guy, I won't mention his name, he's online. He's a fancy rapper. Yeah, he be Rasta. Nancy, I only even else in some back and forth be online. Yeah, I'm not here to hype him. Ne Rasta tin be. Nancy Obeka so a gay. Nancy Obetro online say he's gay. Yeah, Nancy Obetro online say a friend is saying only the gay partner be 20 years and only never chat picture that be online. And to me, man, call you a pool side. That's the boy I'm talking about. But to me, said that set a trend. Me, I'm very, very, very vocal. If something they worry me, I no go fake. I go there, I go talk about them. I'm a very humble person because I believe in humility. And I always say that humility pays more than hard work.
Right.
So I'm very, very humble. There are some trend. Men chama nim chemu kofa humbi.
Yes.
Wow. Sometimes it's bad, but Ghana here, bad trend is also a good trend.
So far as you're out there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, wa Ghana hana nkofu yi omo hu de ye niama ehye da ye niama omo trend ma still brands to be form be brand ambassadors.
Of course. And they say baby.
Yes. You understand? Right. So me I don't see bad trend and a good trend.
So every trend is
it's how you go manage them. All right.
But considering your reputation and what build it, maybe we're one of my. I feel like and he said, or someone can move to me who says not everything. I was say
Ghana Hana yet.
Sure, say you should be able to just
sweetheart
do
Ghana,
everything. Some
if Ghana Hana yet no. Even though you're straight, I'm telling you, we have one of the greatest musicians in Ghana who are very loud. They are very good. They come out clean. But you wouldn't like to even book them for them to perform for you.
Yes.
Let me tell you something. Big shout to my G Wale. Big shout to my G Wale. Big shout to Tomboy. Big shout to Medical.
Okay. Wale, American.
Yeah, Wale. No, shut up.
Wale. Wale.
Yeah. Big shout. That be how to call him. Big shout to Wale. Yeah.
Shatta Wale.
See, most of the things that he does that we see them to be negative trend has put a lot of art on their toes.
Yes.
So tell me, is it a bad trend for the artist? It's not.
No, not at all.
You understand where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
And every industry, check the whole world. Even America, where this entertainment thing is so huge, negative trend makes the industry run, and it's a fact.
But say sometimes if you over I don't even know how to put it. Trend, the ones that they think is bad now. People don't want to associate themselves
with your brand anymore because
yes,
it makes you look
like person who book you was
it's a mekase. It's a mekase. The trend, no. So na mo unjimi you. Into be excuse my words. I'm you see, I'm raw like that. I may say things where maybe into be wanna say na kosueja oda a partner also you want. No. The way you manage it. That's why I said every trend you go fee, take calm, make it be a blessing to you. You do understand? Me the Bible in Bible, me I read Bible.
Sorry, Beneko.
I mean, I'm come out later. You see, say that short man way he be tax collector. What be name?
Tax collector.
Lazarus.
Oh, in the Bible.
Oh yeah, tax collector. That be the short guy. Lazarus. Yeah.
Zacchaeus.
Zacchaeus. That's the name. But I'm finding me read Ephesians.
And the Bible no read.
So no. But I quote the matter.
And how come say we won't name?
Zacchaeus. Zacchaeus. So he was a tax collector. Everybody's saying it's wrong. It's a wrong business. But you should sadena the Jesus attention. You make cannot say. Sometimes, see this thing be bad, but you go fit take calm. They use them nice. And that's why I love my brother Wale. hey, who say you can we to do be jim be can no the releasing you na abe hit amount.
Yeah.
So the way they see, I know they see them like that. So trends, you good give all the acts, every sector, from radio, TV, the movie industry, the music industry, the influential industry, the podcast industry. It's good. Ask yourself questions. Now, when people come online right now, brands come online right now, do you know they are following those who have the numbers?
Yes.
Every day we keep saying, I feel like mentioning name, but okay, yeah, I go feel mention name. Somebody like Ifeanyi Schwarzenegger. People are saying she's bad. Let me go to Aisha Moody. Oh, Casadodo. But make you post something right now. Go check the likes and the comments.
Yeah, so many likes.
People,
right?
Because they want to hear what
Good.
it is.
So you think it's bad, but in front of the corporate world, the people, they don't see it, but they use them at the right time. Okay, we say no abasen ko be a person ko hwe ne oye ne ade no mo use no pa or the to one afa. What the one who is so bad, but people they see say no be bad though. Numbers no attention no hano you can use it.
You're right.
So the trends, some are very good. Even the bad ones, they are very good. But the way you go manage them is very important.
Right. Okay, Intino, Okasano. You don't want to mention the person's name, but you still went ahead to say
Of course.
they do on social media. And minimum only papi kojo mo asem kakra. Asem na mo one fake and I say
Ono ni mo asem.
Sa.
Ono ni mo asem.
Say net.
No. Ono ni say mejene girl.
Sa.
Oh, mejene girl.
Now worry and now worry.
That's not me worry. Mejene girl way back.
Now we saw that na papi big girl.
And say ni nim say ni girl. But later na hu say girl no na me so mo swag sin no. Me won fesen no.
Hey, na papi kojo.
Bibia.
One na wine ewa.
Asemba obetimi.
Are you taller than him?
Yes, I'm taller than him.
Oh wow.
A bit.
Okay.
Yeah, a bit. And the NBA. Yeah, I know open.
Ade na ma okasa papi kojo ni.
Oh, na yin say when I know open. Obi na yin open go fit put cigarette me and sasha na no na online no but no kiss guess me.
No can obi a want a trend.
Internet
No. Na wa say bad trend bi
a bad trend or an NBA a trend. I'm not saying it's a trend. The other is not good for him or it's good for him.
But you just said.
But when you say na okasa they said they only no beef personal bi. I say
girl.
One ka say trend ko bi betumi a share cross na. What you say?
Me no meet.
Hey. Don't you know man?
I don't see the things they write about me online. Me I want to fear. Me let you know yo me not fear this blow clot, you know.
Right.
Yeah. Me not scared for this blow clot.
And then
Jamaica.
Is it that deep? I said because I say body did not say ejebi about mu.
Let them say because in the things they talk online, me I'm quiet. I dey watch them. But one day I go see the vibe.
Right.
Yeah.
Now Andrew, unuya yani papi kojo wa asemi. What do you think about it?
Yes.
And also ka beef no.
When Joshua no yin wa sama.
You're out of it.
Enti one ne kasa. You guys talk.
Ja papi ehia me nhia me na ngasa kwa waka. Also na me no onyi nye problem bia Joshua no yin problem.
No, but also
the problem
na untu
for na me what problem me nua so me no problem.
Untu mpanyinfo ebie na wonye wona asem onyi wo si menyi wo na osi mu kotu wona fo.
Asa wo friend say wo brother. Enti na so tu ni fo.
Na say we company ti bi
ojenega na mo ho a menyi enti menyi ma asam no fight na fare by me dem keke bi unless me hu pa me pa gujo cause watching the root ni Yes, you need to make my document.
So, who brand, who you need to catch you say.
On covering chem, who had a fight in all local.
And you also umbusa said there nekos.
More than moon.
Na, but Papi Kojo no ono account on Mojo shredding or Keche ding, only Keche de be or Keche de was
Joshua.
Oh, sir. But still Keche no come. Company I must building a day again. And yet Joshua, yes, and Keche you'll be same way and I saw bad things about so to me. Address here and I say, we want to Kasa one can.
Okay, Keche na kan won kwa.
You're part of it, so you can't say Sasa would ask we you
who there. Keche one. Papu Kojo on Joshua one other way no. I may say what ba them fighting what them fighting what kwan one. Why today minima mun put out in but I feel like there is a personal beef but sometimes no. Say be okaka there okajemi okaka there be Joshua bia na they will have to go ahead and ask which Joshua why or you want Anthony Joshua remember you want Anthony Joshua or a boxer you were TB Joshua you want Kofu
Joshua Clotty
into the only way about to album we would or ye Joshua and also Keche Joshua. Into all the Keche or the represent all my obiku de hunipa kro kasa. Onye do or attack Keche. And that's how I say
the fact that wabo
Keche no.
Obi kohwehwe obi humu me no wo.
Okay, next time
Keche
okay, from there ko obo Keche be mess you.
No.
Or court.
Because I feel like Keche no boni de mo business mo brand.
Belief boy.
And this mo to me be mo sa online.
Belief chase baby. Belief what chase nkofo.
And I was so kana o kasa you hu film amenti ase. And this you hu film.
You tell other men you
together. And you them together but mo brand no. He's mentioning your brand. You are not supposed to. What's single out and I said we you and this you have to be together.
Or you one person. All the man you be na bullying onye. Emma into no because I'm man mukutuku yentino so be cancho.
Oh, but I want people to understand. Yeah, I don't hate Papi Kojo. I don't hate him. I will never hate him. Okay, just that sometimes me shena na me hu bi ofiba na nwemgbe.
Asemi bi.
Oh yeah.
Omebo ye wo show is.
No bia nkama so mama obungo funu bi obi anye na yetsia na mo ya award bi na recent I think Emmy award to say then obi win award okobo meeting was stage no so
I hu here
wo it's a new way make na new way no want say enyo na new way baby me fi ofante ye no ofi
okay
am face can for banta number 3 ina saman ono mfi ho no ofi ade mbra na ade mebo no bi ho no ofi e wo no na new way wo. You understand? So yes, sometimes he comes out.
What's not about chipping?
I brought you. To what you
now passing the mouth from there. We need be a champ for people do.
We don't just swag na. Ebe na just system na. Ebe mo dresses son.
Too high.
No so stay on trends. What's any petticoats now?
What's happening?
Petticoats.
Hey, dresser.
So no stay on, but not change the name you no so.
It's our because the ebo cook date to be
about. Oh, I'm kind of date no but
Keche why Papi Kojo why be na oni na beef.
Kojo Sheldon.
Oh, now why all day?
Oh no so.
Mitsuda bambi.
Unkwa na Keche unkwa na.
Oyami.
Just wasem. Yes. Because I do that on the bro. I do the so fight beef yarns and water. Now what do you say wash your
not just no
in pipe water.
What do you instigator?
Listen, let's get serious, yeah?
Okay.
Let's get serious. I think that Ghana had the new your bob one young who the industry we grow together, you understand? I remember Joshua is in contact with him.
Okay.
So most of the time Joshua talks to him. And then number of times we've come out with a song, Joshua communicated with him.
That's Kojo.
Kojo to just work on the song for us on his platform.
Do you guys pay him? You're gonna pay him for that,
yes,
right? Okay,
yes,
we talked to him about it, but then there's no response. And then sometimes the last time I was asking Joshua, Bibia Koda has there been something that I don't know, something has gone on that I don't know or whatever. I want to know because since Onion Kassen, the reason why Joshua has almost half of everybody in the industry, their number, both the artists and everybody, is because he does the talking with them. You know why? He can tell you why. Because maybe I have temperament issues, so I don't always want to put myself at that angle, that spot, that to just. So I always want to just. So, dude is not even responding to us or saying anything. Okay, no problem. Now I was there, then I didn't even see because I wasn't online. I was out of town, and Joshua saw a video that Joshua made that he posted. Papi Kojo posted something, a video of us that we went to Tim Westwood years ago.
No, Australian.
Years ago that Tim Westwood that na Ghana for artists now. They are now, some of them are even now bragging with Tim Westwood. They didn't even know when you London embassy, they don't know that. But we were there, and then we had a song out, so we didn't want to just do anything different rather than to promote our new song on the platform.
That was how going to go.
Yeah, and that is the only best thing that you can do as an artist. That you have a bigger platform. Don't go and sing and do any freestyle. Your song that you are promoting, put it out there because people are watching that space. And we made it years ago, almost like 11, 12 years ago. Now, Papi Kojo posted that video and was teasing us. And that was the same video he also carried, Kojo also carried, and went to post it. So meaning you want to really post about things that will, I mean, it's like in a way, because the boy was just mocking us. So you also want to join the team to mock her, to get the listen. But we reaching out to you to just support, and you are not doing that, but you want to just go on the other side and do these things. Not that they're a hypocrite.
Yeah.
So then why do, because and fee whatever you want to do, until why the video that ka. So later Muhammad Joshua, you should have just alert me first. And son, because this thing I've asked you several times about it. To me feed there, not that and yeah a honor pay or pay there you be so on fancy and now that's what like as if they will so let me suggest to you several times. Do you have any problem with him? Have you met him somewhere? Have you said something to this guy that oh my the mad now? But me because me not meaning because me didn't come up. So I need to ask him first. And son me hunchata and sometimes you be more one in some work at this show ma about how
you need to
but as I say edeba pado na baka atasa ebeka nso na se ka ne hudo yi ade na so oni nti why dey akoto nkon dey to kwa empere post Keche na be ka bibia ma Keche nkon dey to okra atasa and then Joshua be them video no nti I mean sometimes that's how amanyama you to me but obi gine chobaka you just want to just fight and then I mean everybody Keche or Keche Joshua we are doing this or that. Sometimes we have reasons of the for what we do. Correct. You understand?
Yeah.
Your reasons into ask yourself say so yawo need bibi dem waste name the ipako no yen fende aka pede bia oba o promote we show you na say bia onye na say we the wo art ma Keche go team or another ko gina go team na no feed no you da go be wo mpobo art maybe pe bibi na why we na we ko hunu waka for obi epun waka for no mom da akoto ne page no pedo sre wa then what are you talking about and even the content whatever it is it's not something that you should even laugh about. You understand? Because Papu Kojo whatever is going on between Papu Kojo and Keche until more the audio the man but what is going on between we and you, we don't have no problem. It's only we reaching out to you according to Joshua and Keche you are not responding into what else now. Why is it that now you copy something that belongs to us, that has our image in it, to go and put it out there on your page for what?
Do you feel or you're loyal to Papu Kojo and Abibi?
It's not
because that's how it's sounding. Because I don't know, try to reach out to him.
It's not loyal.
All of a sudden, then you just and then it's like I feel like maybe only Papu Kojo or relationship. Yeah, maybe he prefers that like more than relationship he has with you guys or something.
I don't think it's about loyalty. I don't think it's about loyalty. I think Joshua. After here, I will just ask Joshua again. Yeah. If Bibi Akodubioma, something has gone on between the both of them that I don't know. You understand? Because any move and they make a move you need to really, get to the root of it before you can talk. Yeah. So
loyalty. Make it do them on your lawyer whatever. Me I don't care.
Yeah. You see, right? Okay. You say podcast near the Abibi Kojo Sheldon as a brand. Said they are analyzing in some. Said they are okasa about Niema. Right? Musha industry is it helping? Or like, what do you think say a year to the industry now? Because right now a lot of people follow him, a lot of people listen to what he has to say. And he said you're not putting in Yama out, then he said you see an idea online. My dream when more say a idea what industry and I say, and I say you feel like he needs to stop some things or like what do you think about him in general as a brand?
To be honest,
what he's doing.
To be honest, Nyao ye be an boy industry he's not doing something bad. Me a bano all these things that you guys are doing. Me I rate you guys 100%.
Okay.
Because now the media, you put the new media, the masses, they watch you guys every day.
Right.
So whatever that Kojo Sheldon does online, I love it. Okay. I don't have any problem with it. It is helping the industry because we need all these things to make the industry run. Okay. So to me, onya de boni bia ba na nyama oye de adabi onya de boni bia
personal
yes mementia say oh you are my brother, I'll reach out to you bro, shall we bring a new song out to so na okasi yetua ebidum to do yes into your fro because also your media you see you use and the promote you to get to the people maybe free best send a message na okay bro talk to this person me npa ko be kasa oh bro the guy no reply me again okay reply me one me nti ka yo what's happening.
That's not nice.
But obi na nwa wo nim say or send me back and forth online and they ko post bibi just to mock us and work of about 2 page then we see the bamboo na me can I'm right.
But also, me who say now on Kempaluta, no problem. How did it end?
Any problem?
Paluta,
Kimpaluta is
I don't want to talk about him.
Okay.
A band Paluta send the friendship baby for now. Yeah.
Okay, into Ghana Music Awards recent one. Me right now I feel like okay, so you beefs in Kofobe can one semi idea, but also what baby our attack. Because recently, me name someone who's that guy no yeah fashion trend or you'll be out to no oh that's a guy on YouTube, Charlie Dio. Oh, no so come on, but
Charlie Dio. Man kasano.
Oh no, yeah, so no so me this.
Man kasano.
no the man address it.
Oh, David. That guy, or a guy, or a girl, right?
He or she, I don't know.
Yeah, I think say also did no. Yeah, because even dressing or can want some, maybe also love it.
And I'm who the wash a cabana slate.
So me I believe
Also the fashion sense.
Yeah, I believe so. But
on a fashion,
but never catching say.
Also, Waben here.
We're gonna burn.
Also, Waben here.
But I don't want him to feel say or dress yama. Or to me dress as a chameleon. I say, or to me she name as a O2. I mean, be other
but to one no a one
fashion.
fashion.
So me intima man fashion ni intim so dress yama.
Ba me penase mo oyo tumo. O me penase o tumo o hwa ade no di me say girly.
O but ono dey on kan okra.
O tumo ya me say girly. Oyo
rough. Go for tag answer but you know
girly. Oh, okay.
It's a boy, it's a girl.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm more industry for a very long time, right? Ghana Music Awards here be in a recent one, you like other ones and all of them. Do you think so? They've been fair to you guys? Because Mama Yadi or Mujini Mwachani in the terms of awards near the man microphone. Do you think that they've been fair to you? And as I said, you like I'm gonna share that and recognize them as much as you need to be recognized.
They've not been fair to us. You see, no crab they've not been fair to us. They be American same way. You see, recently. Okay, straight. Okay, so I will tell the truth. TGMA has never been fair to Keche. That's the truth. They've never been fair to us. You see, sometimes something breaks my heart. Okay, that everything that artist is supposed to do and get recognition, Keche has been doing it till date.
15 years.
Even the recent one. And this is the first time I've been in auditorium that they ask the people, who do you think this award is going for? And everyone is saying it's for Keche. And I was ready to go pick the award. And they mentioned someone else.
What award was that?
That's the group of the year.
Okay.
And even the people that they gave the award to, even big guys were like, Keche is supposed to win this award.
Yeah.
The whole crowd. And the bloggers came to us because they know this is the best due of the year. Yo, Keche, yo. It's for us. Voting. People, I have a... Do you know after we didn't win, people keep sending, Charlie, bro, do you know the way that my family said we vote for you? People voted for Keche to win an award.
So what do you think?
Sometimes when I say this thing, some people are shocked. Okay, let me tell you this. Do you know our song Pressure?
Yeah.
Pressure was a big hit. Never won any award.
Pressure?
Do you know Sokode?
Yeah.
Sokode?
Yeah.
Never won any award. Aloud never won any award.
Hey! Aloud.
So, if I say they've not been fair to us,
I don't think they've been fair to you guys.
I know what I'm saying. Okay. I'm just praying that maybe one day they will know what we've done. They will look at what we've done and they will appear well to us and they will do the needful for Keche to receive the awards that we're supposed to win.
Do you always submit your work to them?
All the time.
Oh, you do?
But why are we there? If you don't submit, they won't put you in any category. We submit and we will be there.
So after the show, do you guys go back to them to ask like why?
Who could be someone?
Why you know? Sorry, any panaji award niko fie.
Time behind you. Who they go ask?
So
I don't know.
Is it based on the voting or they decide?
Okay, they said maybe the board will be 40%, the media maybe 20%, or I don't know who 20%.
So the board,
the fans.
are they into music? Do they know?
For them to have an award show, definitely.
Of course, they do. They do. We have like people that are, like when it comes to music, they are very strong. Everyone in there knows more about music. But sometimes I don't know how people they win the award because Charlie, all the time we get disappointed when it comes to these things. Award with the award, the ones are baby. So they've never been fair to us, and I'm still praying, we're still working, that we're hoping that one day Keche will get whatever they deserve.
Andrew, how do you feel about the same TGMA thing?
Yeah, I mean, over the years, I mean, I remember when, because of, I mean, what, I mean, we've gone through in their hands, TGMS, over the years. So I remember, No Darling Time, we had nominations. I remember I told Joshua that we are not going, so we didn't go on the night because I was in the room. I'm like, these people, my wife was like, you think I'm like this, but they will not give it. They will just go and give it to somebody else. You understand? Because I remember, I mean, years back, I mean, the same thing has been happening. So I was in the house. I was even entering the bathroom before I saw our category mentioned, and then my wife was like, yeah, but I so forget them. They will give it to somebody else because I know that. I said, I did not blame me. You understand?
Disappointed
Before,
so many times.
yeah, before Ochami
Kofi, yes.
I mean, mentioned Keche. So
Oh,
I turned, I was in the bathroom. I turned, I'm like, okay. I was supposed to be excited. I'm like, okay. Like, I feel like
We deserve it.
Charlie,
What's up?
it's
Yeah.
okay.
Finally.
And I mean, it's like, no, when you're broken heart, and if I'm on a room promise, cool. Is there a thing? And then the next day we went there, and I think we won an award, one more award, and then that was it. Easy. So I mean, we've been disappointed a couple of times, number of years, and then I think so. We are still working. You see, sometimes people do say, and in the years past, we've said that awards, I mean, doesn't make you who you are, but then it adds some ices, to the whole thing. So it is important. I mean, when your works are being recognized, and then you are being awarded. You understand?
Yeah.
So we're still working, as Joshua said, and then we're hoping for the best tomorrow.
Okay, so as a group, right, in the industry, not even TGMA, like as like the whole industry, do you guys feel like you've been underrated?
To be honest,
Because more efforts needed. Yeah.
I will not lie to you. I think people love us. People love Keche so much because for you to be here 15 years and still you have hit songs, it means people love you. It means the media loves you. Okay, so I won't say no. I'm not going to talk about them, because I believe that if they don't love you, they won't support you to this level.
But what do you think you are not doing right as Keche?
Oh, me, I don't know. Me, everything we do, I'm right though. Like
To their knowledge.
if you check Keche, when it comes to promotion, we do our music, shows, we sport the not even Keche they talk. People
We haven't stepped on no toes. Sorry.
Yeah.
You haven't?
Unless
only
people always
job.
do start it with us first.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't intentionally, I mean, move to people to want to just, I mean, maybe pick up fights with them and all that. We've always tried to just stay on our lane and do the right thing and then move on. That's all. I mean, we have people who come out and say, hey, Keche, you guys have kept a clean sheet for so many years. We don't, when you talk of Keche, we don't hear any scandals here and there that they did this, they did that, they did whatever it is. So we have been on that same, I mean, clean, white road that we've been going. It's only people that throw stones our way. I mean, that's all.
Okay. So currently, right, you guys do everything together.
Yeah.
But aside that, more like personal music projects say in the future, and do you think you'd want to do something alone as Joshua or alone as Andrew? Like, is it something that has ever, in terms of as a Wankasawu project,
music,
but not Keche as the group, but
we
personal,
came, Yeah, of course, yeah. I love this question. People have been asking, and they are pushing us to do that, but we won't do it.
Why?
Because Ghana the man almost what can we shine why the man when let me use Prior went on their separate ways. Oh na mumbra back na munya na we try so releasing it. Now they came back, they released a song Uncle Baby. Well, all I'm saying is I started as a single artist. Man Jimmy Antum me releasing you manfa. Okay, and God said no. Joshua, you need Andrew. Because the better Andrew soon on soon nam kwancha or yemfa. Oh yeah, only street, yeah, but out there on fa.
Yeah.
And God said, Andrew, you need Joshua. When we came together, just last month, we used only 2 weeks to pull almost 1,000 audience in Bremen, Germany.
Wow.
Only 2 weeks. So man could see and for triple number. So I believe that me and Andrew collectively, the fans love it, people love it, and this is what God wants. Man could go release you know album makawe. So me that thing emfa the energy no dey there. So people keep asking Joshua, you will go bring some rap thing. See, Ghana call hardcore rapper comedy wo.
But before we go, we want to know what is new for Keche.
And only a shen one.
All right. And we are working. We have our new single out, Papu. And we featured Last Made on it. I mean, I swear my father,
Baby,
Sandra, you bada. I want to carry you go. I want okay, I swear my father, Sandra, leave you bada. I want to carry you go and see your mother. I want to tell her say she will never lack for giving birth to a beautiful girl. Mole, you tip my toe. Mole, you carry the go. Mole, girl, you thief my heart, oh. Ole, you carry go. Manaju with your papa.
Give them.
Papa, no delay. Papa. Manaju with your papa. Time no day.
I got some goosebumps.
Yes.
I would like to be in the
I've
video.
never seen anybody like you.
Hey.
I wonder why I love you and I don't know what to do.
Hey.
Your body with the boss brain, I want to see your mother, oh my boo, oh my lover. Your pretty things, they make my heart tickle. Ole, you tip my heart go. Ole, you carry the go. Ole, girl, you tip my heart, oh. Ole, carry go. Bisana you with your papa. No delay.
Give them.
So that's our new song.
Oh my God, I can't wait to hear it. I'm
It's out. It's out.
Home, so you let us see.
It's out. It's out. It's called
Song of the
Keche.
year.
But that's me, bro.
Next year.
It's called Keche Papa featuring Last
I'm
Mate.
loving
Yeah.
it.
It's a love song.
Ooh.
You see,
Yeah, the
we're
video
just
though.
trying to just tell the lady how beautiful she is. And at the point, telling her mother that I want to go and see her mother because she will never lack for giving birth to such a beautiful lady. And Ole is a Nigerian word, Yoruba word, which means thief. That's it. Ole, we are makumo.
Oh.
Yes.
Kromfwe, we are makumo. Eh, Kromfwe, we are makumo. Ole, carry go.
Miss Anaju with your
Sanaju, the Papa movement in
One
Kwan.
of course.
That's our new song. It's doing very well. So that's what is up for Keche. And then we still have a lot of songs to release before the year ends. And then, I mean, we have a lot in our coffers that, I mean, about to be out there for people to see, hear, and enjoy. So, y'all stick and stay. Don't move an inch from Keche.
Okay, so we're coming to an end to the show.
Okay.
What do you guys have to say to the general public? Again, I'm welcome. I'm a fans. We'll be funny now. We'll be can be if I'm more.
Yes.
Tell
Tell them something.
I want to say a big thank you. Thanks for supporting us. Thanks for being there. Keche will never be here if you decide not to support us.
Right.
Yeah.
We've been one of the biggest group. We've been one of the strongest group, all because you guys love us and you support us. We're super excited and super grateful that we have people like you around us. Big shouts to Papu Kojo. Big shouts to Kojo Sheldon. Big shout to my haters.
Shout out.
To be shout out and so much love from you guys. Yo, just watch out. Team Keche all day, every day. We're coming out strong soon.
Okay, but before we go, we have a gift for you.
Gifts.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Apart from the $1,000,
And yeah, betcha.
I had the over had
more coming. I had the over. I wouldn't never be brave. Coffee.
You know, your sponsors, you're from Mark Felix.
Okay.
Ghana hanging on what chips said, they just say it can snacks are there. 1 year you can travel with them, more packages, no beautiful packages and everything. So these are our gifts to you guys. The person must munko di na mun feel na munya mun adverts na mun purchase bi.
Mark Felix.
Mark Phyllis. This is yours.
Yeah, my kids love plantain chips more into you say.
Where school park into Nkola ni school park
thank you.
No the asha ne kalipo ho.
I see.
You know. This is our gift to you guys.
Which one?
Thank you.
If you taste it, you definitely go and find them. You know,
Mark Felix.
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Mark Felix.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, they have their contact there, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, boy. Now you're from
Thank you,
one.
Mark
Now what
Felix.
did you Brian?
they are sponsors.
Now you catch on there. Of then.
Mark Felix.
Yeah, catch on there. Mark Felix say we are come on.
Hey,
Papa.
Mark Felix say yeah, berry. Mark Felix say yeah, berry chips no.
Chips near
Na ya musu edie good. Na ye we are bye bye pa pa pa.
Delay.
Pa 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 pa.
That's my favorite part.
That's your favorite pattern.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching us. We come to an end of a very exciting episode of the Girls Aloud podcast. I'm Olive. Follow me on social media. Abna Olives on Instagram, Snapchat, and all of that. And don't forget to subscribe to KOFAS Media on YouTube. Tuesday, 4 p.m. each and every week. We have a new episode. And to make it a point to watch.
And mine Instagram is Sandy_PEX. Please don't forget, every Tuesday, 4 p.m. on KOFAS Media. Subscribe and watch Girls Aloud.
All right, Keche, thank you so much for coming.
Madam, I say.
On my interview, yeah, juicy.
Of course.
All right, guys. So catch you same time next week. Bye.
Bye.
Girls Aloud.
Ciao.